Good morning everyone. So today is 22nd of March 2022 and I have not been studying continuously, but I am trying a lot, and in this video I am going to share you my to-do list for today, what I am doing nowadays, but it is not regular, like one day I study and the other day I have some work, or just I don't know, but there are many breaks which are coming in between. But yeah, that's fine, we have to keep moving to reach our destination. So this is my to-do list for today, and before sharing this I would like to inform you that Guidely is providing this combo offer in which they are providing their bundle PDF course and their mock test subscription in one subscription. Okay, and there is 80% going on for this offer. Like if you purchase their bundle PDF and their mock test together, then you will get 80% discount, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. So there is a huge discount and it is the best time because this is the last offer, so you can go and purchase this. Now for this to-do list, first there is prelims mock test. I will attempt one prelims mock test and I will share the scores with you. Then there is mains mock test. So today I will try to attempt one mains mock test, but I will only solve maths, reasoning and English from that mock. Okay. So I will try to attempt, because in mains also we need speed for clerk examinations, and that is what I lack. So I will try to attempt mock test. Then there is two classes of computer. I am trying to finish computer as soon as I can so that I have time for revision. And if you know the tentative dates of mains examination, then please try to write in the comment section, because I think earlier they were saying that 8th of May is the mains date, but now there is no information regarding this. So if you know something, then please try to tell me. Then there is Feb first week current affairs. So I am trying that before prelims at least I complete Feb current affairs. Okay, and after that I will try to complete March and April also. So this is my current affair Feb first week. Today I will complete. Then there is editorial reading. So this is it. Like it seems very little, but it takes a lots of time to complete this, but I will try my best today. Through this video I am trying to make a commitment, and yeah, I will try and give my 100%, and you all should do it. So that is all. Thank you and have a nice day.